Real quick, before we start this video, I needed to make a... What the hell was that?
I don't know.
Did you throw something?
No.
Did you hear it?
Yeah, I don't know what it was. What did it be?
Real quick, before we start this video, I should have said this in the beginning, but the giveaway that I'm doing, it's only eligible for people inside the United States, because I did the frame giveaway and the guy was like in the Netherlands, and I'm really sucky at doing things that I should do, and I haven't even sent him his frame yet, but it is packaged and it's ready to go to the post office. It's just, I hadn't done it yet, so let's keep it in the United States. I'm sorry. On with the video. What is up, YouTube? Today, have finally made it out here. Got the Team Vanjo X in the house as soon as I get my camera adjusted. Got Axel, what was your name again? Risky Biscuits.
Oh, fuck you.
And then there's the currently undecidedness over there. But today, we got a little challenge. Axel, he hasn't flown in like, what, 3 months?
Yeah, it's been a while.
3 months, and he has failed to order himself some props. So he doesn't have any props today. So he's like, hey, can you guys like let me use some props? So I thought, I come up with a great idea. So I brought an assortment of the worst props that I could possibly find that I have. So the deal I'm gonna have with Risky Biscuits today is he can use all the nice props he wants, but first he has to rip a pack of props of my choice on his quad for his first pack after 3 months.
Are there racecrafts
So
in there?
I have, let's go over what I have here. Let's move over to the currently undecided workbench over here. Sorry, Justin, if you don't mind. Axel, he did. You want to get in on this decision?
What do you even have?
What
Okay,
doesn't he?
so me and currently undecided have already discussed, we have some really shitty bob blades. They're like 3.8 pitch, horrible, like super flimsy, gonna fly like shit.
Dude, get FPV.
Do have some off-brand tri-blades that I've flown before. They fly like shit. Got a full set of those. Got some Racecraft bob blades, 3.8 also, I believe. They fly like shit. And some HQ4 blade. Now these rip pretty good. But the thing is, I'm thinking we're gonna put one of these on his quad, and one of these on his quad, and one of these on his quad, and then let him choose between the other two shitty props that he would like to put on his quad for his first pack.
You know my filtering sucks and my motor's real bad, right? Like
So here we go.
Oh Jesus. I took my mind.
I make a deal with you.
I'm gonna go home.
Okay, we'll change it up a little bit, and we'll let him fly all 4 of the shitty bi-blades, so it won't mess his quad up. It'll just fly horrible. What do you think? That or the Frankenstein?
You're so considerate.
The Frankenstein?
No.
Just by flying. Doesn't matter if it's...
Let's go with the 4. Let's go with 4 bi-blade. These right here.
Okay.
Let's put a set of these on there and see what he thinks.
It's gonna be great.
It's going to be a review for shitty ass black props. Take one.
Why do they move up like that?
Show me how sturdy they are.
Look at this.
Don't mess them up, dude. You got to fly those.
I'm making them better. Christ, no.
Okay. Hurry, there's a train,
Oh,
Axel. There's a train. Come on.
Today is not the day,
Please.
Jesus. Jesus,
Please.
please. Jesus, please.
Hurry.
Save me from myself, Jesus.
Hurry.
Oh my, it's a coal train.
Look at all this is doing good.
Oh my God, I'm just gonna drag my feet. Oh, where's the, if only I had a power button.
Hurry, there's a train.
Oh my God, goodbye, Quan. Why am I here? What is this? Oh, it's gone.
Oh. You procrastinated.
Woo. Woo, thank you, Jesus.
You got lucky on that one,
Woo.
buddy. You got lucky on
Man, I
that
had the DVR ready for that quad never to come back.
Oh, dude, listen to that. Oh, did you hear it? Oh!
What was that?
Dude, this sounds painful.
It sounds so bad.
But how do they feel?
It feels like garbage. Like, it just feels sloppy as fuck.
That's hilarious.
You sure it's just not your flying?
Dude, it is flattening the shit out of them suckers.
So I think you're kind of taking a little too easy. I'm gonna need you to fly like more.
It can't. It's gonna shake apart.
There you go.
Oh shit.
Oh god, something. I think it killed the motor. Oh shit.
I think it just disintegrated a prop.
Yeah, I don't know what happened.
Let's go take a look.
Just fell out.
I bet it disintegrated. I bet the prop flew apart. That's my bet.
Think so?
Yeah, they didn't sound like they were liking it at all.
I wasn't even full throttle.
Yeah, the way it come down, it sounded like it wasn't happy.
Oh yeah, the prop exploded. Look at that.
Huh.
It's completely gone.
Oh my god! It just took it off at the hub.
It's okay. We have more we can put on there.
Oh yeah, you got 2 spares, bro.
Oh, thank God.
They're just send that one out. Yeah, there you
The
go.
motors
Yeah,
feel
let's
fine.
fix
The
that.
motors feel fine.
Well, you probably could have went like another 20 minutes on those.
Oh God.
All right.
Where's the prop?
He has earned his right to fly some good props. So
No, we got to go through all of them. I thought you said.
no.
Yes.
Well,
No.
no, just one pack on some shitty ass props. That's all.
But is the pack,
That's all I asked. Huh?
Is the pack over?
Yeah, is that really a full pack? God, I'm so glad I didn't go over by the
He
fucking
actually
train.
wants to fly more shitty
Dude,
props.
if I went over by the train and this shit dropped out of the sky because you gave me a dank ass prop, it fell on top of the coal.
This may be to be continued. We shall see. This is straight ball rippage. Take 1. This is straight ball rippage. Take 2. Okay, this is straight ball rippage. Take 3. This is gonna be legit fire. I promise. Here we go. Okay, so I'm sitting here editing this video, and I've noticed that the brightness in my flight footage is just flashing on and off. And I noticed it in the video that I edited yesterday that it was like that. And I normally run all my GoPro settings in like auto. I don't do like. And somebody commented in one of my videos is like, you should, shoot everything in flat so it adjusts to the light better. I don't want to deal with all that. But I've noticed in this video that the brightness is going in and out like rapidly. It's not smoothly transitioning. So I wanted to bring up the fact that this GoPro still records, right? And I've been using this one for a little while. I go through quite a few of these things. The back screen is busted. This bottom piece right here broke off. the door's gone somewhere. I don't know. I use this Ethics face hugger on it. It seems to protect the front, because I was breaking the front a lot, and I have not, knock on wood, probably happen tomorrow, but I have not broke this part right here since I've been using this. But I broke the crap out of the back. So I think, you know, this GoPro is taking a beating. So if you guys could just, you know, deal with the brightness going in and out until this one, damn it, cat, until this one completely quits recording, I'm just going to keep using it. You know, there's no sense in going and changing it out when it get, anyway, back to the flying, sorry.
Hello, I waited here for you, ever long. Tonight, I throw myself into, and out of the red, out of her head she sang.
Well, I outlasted the crew. They gone. They left me out here by myself, but I know I got you guys at home watching. So appreciate you guys for watching all my videos. Even though I con y'all into a giveaway for watching, it is what it is. It's just, I don't know, you know, just something we're doing. We're just doing that. We're uploading every day. So this is day, I don't know what day this is. Oh wait, before I go, I think I messed up, because I was gonna start Saturday, but I think my first upload was actually Sunday, because it was late Saturday night before I got it edited and then put it up on Sunday. So I don't know, the Logan Paul fight, that's gonna be video 1, and then we're going from there. So appreciate you guys for watching. See you in the next one tomorrow.